close. No, you're way out of town, brother.
What's your name, brother?
Steve.
Steve.
What's up, man?
Yes, how long been you involved in this business?
70 years.
Oh
No, I'm just 2 years. 2
years.
Yep.
In this
place? In this right here. So you press lock 2 times, and then you see that where it says hold? Yeah. And then you press and hold for 3 seconds. You see that little red light? After 3 seconds.
Yeah. What do you do? See? He's a sultan. He's our.
And then in here, it's super easy, man. So, like, you see these buttons right here? So when it's white, that's what it's just
Berbujak. Abang lagi nak baca.
You'll get a little text from the top. But you've got engine on, engine off, lock, unlock. This is super cool, man. So you can go into custom. You can change your temperature. You can turn on your heated steering wheel and rear defrost. You can change your seats, turn on heated seats, refrigerated seats, all that kind of stuff. Maintenance, if you're ever going to check engine light, you can always see what it is. It's a vehicle status. And say it's like an oxygen sensor, right? It'll say that right there instead of just saying check it. So you'll know what's going on with your car. Inside of convenience right here, that'll have remote start schedule. So if you leave the house 4 times a week, same time, you can create a calendar or schedule so it starts up same time. Okay. And then also, come inside with me just for a second. We've got to get your vehicle certified online. Inside the building, yeah. It'll only take probably 2 minutes, but I'm also going to give him one of my business cards. Sure. So if you have questions about the carnival, call me, text me, or you can always stop. Do you live kind of close? No, you're way out of town, brother.
What's your name, brother?
Steve.
Steve.
What's up, man?
Yes, how long been you involved in this business?
70 years.
Oh
no, I'm just 2 years. 2 years. Yep.
In this
place? Yes, in this building right here.
Wow.
It feels like forever.
Then do you have any good experience? Very excited.
All of the good experience.
And what is the worst experience?
Worst experience? When I ate the 1 chip challenge. A spicy chip.
I won that time.
Oh my, you won it?
I won.
Yeah.
Me too. Afterwards, hour and 15 minutes afterwards, I was laying in service.
Did you ever eat biryani? His biryani?
Yes, 100%, man. I used to work at a place called the Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal Indian.
So biryani, chicken tikka masala, all that kind of stuff. Yeah.
You like it, huh?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
And
I know how to cook in a tandoori.
really?
I can cook in a tandoori. Naan breads, rack of lamb, all that kind of stuff.
Who make it? You or your girlfriend?
No, me. My girlfriend don't know how to do any of that stuff.
Come on.
Yes, mango lassi, man, all that stuff.
Wow, his girlfriend cooking a lot of things.
Really? I need to find me a girlfriend that will do that. I've cooked too much.
Wow, good. Nice to see you, brother.
Nice to meet you too.
You will see this picture in my YouTube channel.
In your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah,
What's your YouTube channel?